kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jẹ́ olólùfẹ́ wa ní channel wa Olooto TV. Ní òní mo gbé àlejò tó tóbi, mo gbé wọn wá sórí ètò wa. Iyanifa Esuloju. Ẹ̀yin obìnrin, mo gba ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àtẹ̀ránṣẹ́ látọ̀dọ̀ yín. Ifá ṣòótọ́, ẹ kàn sọ fún wa wípé kò sí nǹkan tó burú nínú kóbìnrin tẹ̀fá. A ti gbọ́ látọ̀dọ̀ yín. But ẹ bá wá àwọn Iyanifa tán ti tẹ̀fá, kán dẹ̀ share experience wọn, kán share rẹ̀ fún wa. Ẹ wò lónìí, ẹ máa gbọ́ látọ̀dọ̀ Iyanifa Esuloju. Òye wọn, báwo náà ṣe rí sí nínú kóbìnrin tẹ̀fá. Okay, wọ́n ti tẹ̀fá, kí ni àwọn nǹkan tó jẹ́ ìdojúkọ wọn? Ẹ kàn wá nǹkan fìdílé, kẹ́ fìdílé nǹkan. Ẹ mọ̀ pé máa ń sọ fún yín wípé nínú ìṣẹ̀ṣe wa, Ifá ò wà fún gender ẹyọ kan, gbogbo ayé ni Ifá wà fún. Ó wá depend lórí ṣó wù wọ́ láti gbà àbí kò wù wọ́ láti gbà. But kò kí ṣe pé èèyàn kan ló máa sọ fún ẹ pé kó má gbà. Ìwọ ló máa wá decide lọ́kàn ẹ wípé kíní yìí kò sí fún mi. But Ifá ti jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé òun gbogbo ayé lòun wà fún. Ifá tó sọ pé ẹni tí ó gbà kó wá gbà, ẹni tí ó tẹ̀ kó wá tẹ̀. Mo gbà mo tẹ̀ èrègùn Fá tán, èrègùn Fá ò tán, èrègùn Fá kù lẹ́yìn. Adífá fún Ọ̀rúnmìlà bá ń lọ rí fojú kan odù lódò. Odù ló bí wa, odù ló yà wá, ayé ẹ wá wọ ọmọ odù bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ọmọ odù ní gbogbo wa. Gbogbo wa ní láti mọ kí ni tó jẹ́ odù wa. Odù yìí ló jẹ́ ká lè mọ individual differences tó wà láàrin gbogbo wa. You can't be me, I can't be you. Kí ni composition tèmi? Kí nìkan tó yẹ kí n ṣe? Kí nìkan tí ò yẹ kí n ṣe? Ṣé ọkùnrin nìkan ni kó mele? Àwọn èèyàn ń jẹ èèwọ̀. Èèwọ̀ máa ń da ayé èèyàn rú ni. Èèwọ̀ máa ń wọ́ ire ayé èèyàn dànù ni. Ṣé ayé ọkùnrin nìkan ni kó tó? Káyé àwọn obìnrin bàjẹ́. Ẹ wò, ẹ má jẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀ jù. Ẹnu ọlọ́fà láti máa ń gbọ́ mọ́ta. Ẹ tẹ̀lé mi ká lọ sọ́dọ̀ Iyanifa Esuloju. Ẹ ṣeun.
My name is Iyanifa Esuloju Oyashogun, and I've been practicing traditional Isese for about 15 years. I first started in spirituality through Lukumi system. And that was about maybe 20 years. From I'm small, I've been doing it. So in Lukumi system, they believe that women should never make Ifa. That is a big taboo, that women shouldn't, as women can't see Odu, they also cannot go to Igbodu or do Itefa, which is full initiation to Ifa, which is not so. Me, I've done full initiation to Ifa. When I went back to my Lukumi family or people, they said that they have disowned me because I will die, I'm cursed, I will have cancer, all this thing. And I'm telling you now, as I said before, I've now have Ifa for about 15 years, and I'm still alive, and I'm doing well, I'm thriving, I'm learning, I'm expanding, I'm establishing even more. So all the women that have heard that you can't do Ifa, it's a lie. You know, there is sometimes that, I hate to say it, male chauvinism takes over what women should have. And me, I'm all for women's rights and women upliftment and women liberty. But I also know that there's nowhere in Ifa that says that women cannot do Ifa. My young girls, my daughters, they are initiated fully to Ifa. They have done Itefa, and they are learning very well Ifa, just like my boys. So in this, Ifa believe in equal, we are all under the umbrella of Ifa. Isorope, we are children under the umbrella of Ifa. So children under the umbrella is not differentiated as only boys or male. It's children, both male and female. When you learn Ifa, or please learn Ifa, I'm reaching out to women. Learn Ifa, but don't learn Ifa to be an antagonist to your lifestyle, antagonist to your friends, family, your husband, your children, even your Ori. Learn Ifa for your greatness. Learn Ifa for your wisdom. Learn Ifa for your knowledge, and learn Ifa for your longevity. That is the purpose of learning Ifa, for self-upliftment and self-betterment, not to downgrade or overcome anybody. Asheo. Okay, yes. So let me expand on what I said before. You know, we that have done Ifa, there's limits to what we can do as women in Ifa. Now, Ifa is held by men. They are the ones that will do the initiation for Ifa. The women can carry the issue. Women are not to see or do. So that part is sacred. Do you understand? But there are some women that want to overstep their ground on Ifa, that they feel like, hey, men are just trying to hide things from us. Why can't we see or do? No. Just like when we're doing Egbe, that is something that women are head of more than men. That not that men are not in Egbe, but that is a woman head. That each person have a role, just like women give birth. Men can't carry baby. Women carry baby. So everybody have their role to fulfill in their destiny and their life. As women, we can do it, Tẹfa, but we have limitation to what we can do in that aspect. Now, there is a lot of benefit in full initiation, Itefa for Ifa, for women and men. Abi? Yes. So, because, okay, let me expand on it. Like, for Lukumi system, when a woman do her Ishefa, she gets one Ikinifa. For, say, her Odu is like mine, Iwori Bogbe, she will get one Ikinifa. But if the Odu is Ejiogbe, like what I have when I did my Ishefa, I will get two Ikinifa. How can I do one full reading for my life with two Ikin or one Ikin? Now, it is important that Ifa is leading your life. Your Ikin, your hand of Ifa, your Ikin, your full hand of Ifa to do reading is very essential to guide you through your destiny. You know, Ifa is the voice of destiny. Ifa is the deity that give rule to your road of life, your GPS to your life. So if you as someone now, as a female, that they said you can't do Ifa, you can't do full initiation to Ifa, so the greatness of your life you won't know, the taboos of your life you won't know, the blessing of your life you won't know. It's only the men that will enjoy it. It's not balance, because it take woman to give birth to man, and it take man to give children to women. So there is it's a system of balance. So the joy of having Ifa is the wisdom, is the knowing of how to solve an issue. It's not like when you go and do tarot reading and they say you will sick tomorrow and they don't give you solution. Ifa always give you a solution to every problem. If you're barren, Ifa will give you solution on how you will bear children. If you are lacking husband, Ifa will give you solution on how to gain good relationship, good husband, good children, ibujoko, good settlement in life. So it's many gifts to having Ifa. It's many blessings to having Ifa. Ifa, I always tell everybody, if I could redo my life in this Isese of Ifa, I would do it again the same way. With all my trials and tribulations, with all my joys and happiness, I won't change a thing, because everything have grown me to who I am, the wisdom, the training, the discipline, the character, the woman that I am today. And I'm grateful. And if it's not for Ifa, who is the GPS of my life, I wouldn't be where I am today. That's it. Women should always take time to learn Ifa. Learn Ifa, learn your wisdom, learn your knowledge, learn your longevity. Ifa is all of that. Learn Ifa and subscribe to Olooto TV. Number 1. When you learn Ifa, or please learn Ifa, I'm reaching out to women. Learn Ifa, But don't learn Ifa to be an antagonist to your lifestyle, antagonist to your friends, family, your husband, your children, even your Ori. Learn Ifa for your greatness. Learn Ifa for your wisdom. Learn Ifa for your knowledge. And learn Ifa for your longevity. That is the purpose of learning Ifa, for self-upliftment and self-betterment, not to downgrade or overcome anybody. Asheo. Subscribe to Olooto TV. Huh? Number 1.
òun lẹ ti gbọ́ láti ẹnu Iyanifa Esuloju láti ilẹ̀ Jamaica yẹn. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ẹ̀yin obìnrin, wọ́n ní tó bá kọjú sí yín kẹta, tó bá kọ̀yìn sí yín kẹjọ lọ́fà, tó bá kú ẹ̀yin nìkan ẹ tírò ara yín pa. Wọ́n ní kóbìnrin má tẹ̀fá bí. Wọ́n ní kóbìnrin tẹ̀fá bí. Ọwọ́ yín nìkan ni ó kù sí. Ṣùgbọ́n o, Ọ̀rúnmìlà tẹ̀fá fáwọn ìyàwó ẹ̀ o. Àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ tó jóbìnrin, bàbá kẹ̀yọ́ sì tẹ̀fá fún wọn o. Àbífá tó sọ pé èmi ni górí, èmi ni gòrí. Adífá fún Ọ̀rúnmìlà, bàbá mọ́ ọmọ ẹ̀ lọ sí gbá ẹ̀kú. Bàbá ń kó aya rẹ̀ lọ sí gbá ẹ̀kú. Ǹjẹ́ gbá ẹ̀kú ni mo máa ya mi rè? Igbá ẹ̀kú ni mo mọ́ ọmọ mi rè. Èmi ni górí, èmi ni gòrí. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ọmọkùnrin bá ní, Ifá máa state ẹ̀. But Ọ̀rúnmìlà ó generalize ẹ̀ pé gbogbo ọmọ òun mú lọ sí gbá ẹ̀kú. Òun mú àwọn aya òun mú wọn lọ sí gbá ẹ̀kú. Ẹ̀yin tó bá ti ń wò wá, ẹ máa bá a subscribe sí Olooto TV. Ẹ ṣé.